Hello, hi Mr. Johnston, hi everybody, hello to my wonderful trumpeters. I hope you're all well, happy and healthy. I'm really missing you all. I'm missing our trumpet lessons and playing music together. I'm okay, I'm here in the house, I'm all fine. I hope it's not too long until I can get back though to school and we all play trumpet together, okay? In the meantime though, Mr. Johnston has prepared a really wonderful piece for your assembly. A change is going to come and he wants our help to make it a bit more special, okay? So this is what you're going to do over it. This is what I'd like you to do. I've explained it here in a simple diagram, as simple as I possibly can. Nice and easy. There's no musical dots, no notes. All you have to do is, we're on a C. For those of you who are starting on a C, some of you will be starting on an E, so you can decide that between you. First of all, you're going to go, Mr. Johnson, I'm sure, will count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rat-ta-ta. Rest, rat-ta-ta. Rest, rat-ta-ta. Rest, rat-ta-ta. And you're going to play a C 4 times. Then you're going to play a D, 1 and 3. And you're going to go rest, rat-ta-ta. Rest, rat-ta-ta. And you're going to do that 2 times. Then you're going to go back to C and you're going to do rest again. You're going to go rest, rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. A little bit longer at the end. So just 1 time on the C at the end. 4 times round, beginning on the C. Change to D, 2 times round the rhythm. And then 1 time round the rhythm on the end. And I'll show you how that goes now. Okay, I'll play this for you. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 D. Rest. C. Okay? So for those who are playing an E, starting on E, same thing, exactly the same thing. 1 and 2, same rhythm, you change up to an F. Okay, here it goes again. 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 Okay, there you go, nice and simple. I know you can do it. Let's have a listen to what that's going to sound like with the music, with the lyrics, okay? So your part's going to come in after the singer, after Phil has sang, a change is going to come. Oh yes it is. Okay, here it comes. I'll play it for you now. Right, I might put the volume up a little bit. Change gonna come. Oh, yes it will. 2, 3, 4. I go to the movie. Somebody keeps telling me, it's been a long. Okay, so that was the example with the music there, and that's what you're going to sound like together doing your C. That was a C, of course. So when you play together with your C and your E, it's going to sound amazing. I know you can do it, and it's going to be brilliant, and I wish I was there to see it. Hopefully Mr. Johnson will record it and then send it back to me. Anyway, okay, so have fun with that. Look after yourselves, take care everybody, and hope to see you all very soon. Okay, bye bye. Bye for now.